Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to hop on here and say hello before we get into the video. It's a very quick little video about what I put on toast. It's not anything new or wild, but these are just 3 little toast recipes that I cook quite often when I'm either for snack or most likely breakfast. I recently just learned how to make sourdough bread, so I'm super excited to pop these toppings onto the sourdough that I make. And I'm basically a grandma now, and I'm really excited about it. So maybe next time you'll see these recipes on a homemade bread. For now, they're on store-bought. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, it's just like a little silly video that I wanted to do since quarantine is, you know, a little blah feeling. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye! Yeah, I'm filming my favorite toasts. Rocks. Stick it in your hair.
Thank you.